You don't charge me in the cold, I might break. From overheating, I'm already smoking. I'm a battery. The frost, that's can't be used. 20-30 minutes of driving and I'll charge and ride like new. You haven't changed my wires in a long time. You see they're already sticking out of me. Change me or I'll break soon. You can't see I'm covered in snow. Wipe me carefully with a damp cloth, and I will serve you for a long time.
Can't you see that I'm rusting? Spray me with something not rust and you won't have to send me in for repairs.